The Managing Jira Projects for Data Center ACP-610 exam is a certification exam for Jira administrators who want to demonstrate their skills and knowledge in managing Jira projects on a data center deployment. The exam covers topics such as project configuration, workflows, schemes, permissions, issue types, screens, fields, and reporting. Study the latest ACP-610 exam questions here. 1. A project administrator wants to modify his project screen. The project screen meets all the prerequisites for him to be able to edit it. Which two actions can he not perform? Choose 2. A. Remove a field. B. Rename a tab. C. Make a field required. D. Rearrange existing fields. E. Create a new field. F. Move a tab. 2. Elaine is the project administrator for the finance project. The team requests a brand new field called currency. It must be added to the screen used on the approval transition. How can these requirements be met? A. Elaine can create the field and add it to the screen. B. A Jira administrator must create the field and add it to the screen. C. A Jira administrator must create the field but Elaine can add it to the screen. D. Elaine can create the field but a Jira administrator must add it to the screen. 3. All projects use a shared permission scheme. The Browse project's permission needs to be updated. Project administrators need to be able to manage access to their own projects. What entry should be added to the Browse project's permission? A. Group. B. Project lead. C. Project role. D. Single user. E. Application access. 4. Teresa is able to see the start progress transition but not the approve transition on an issue. Her coworker is able to see both. Identify 2 possible causes why Teresa cannot see the approve transition. Choose 2. A. Teresa is not listed in the correct security level for the issue. B. Teresa does not have the transition issues permission. C. Teresa is not in the correct group or project role. D. Teresa does not meet the condition on the approved transition. E. Teresa does not have the correct global permission. F. Teresa does not have the correct application access. 5. You are the project administrator handling configuration changes requested by the users. Whenever possible, you want to handle the changes yourself without involving the Jira administrator. Which 2 changes might be possible for you to handle yourself? Choose 2. A. The priority value highest is not needed in the project. B. Watchers should only receive a notification when an issue is being resolved. C. Sam Smith should have the same permissions as Dwayne Johnson. D. Only QA managers should be able to bulk edit issues in the project. E. Only certain users should be able to set the top secret issue security level. 6. You are the project administrator for a software Scrum project. Time tracking is globally enabled. Identify the reason why users are not able to log work. A. The log work field is not present on any project screens. B. The users do not have the work on issues permission. C. Time tracking on the Scrum board is set to none. D. The issues do not have an original estimate. E. Issue estimation on the Scrum board is set to story points instead of original estimate. 7. Tom needs to work on scheduling and reordering future sprints in a project. What are the minimum 2 permissions that Tom needs? Choose 2. A. Administer projects. B. Work on issues. C. View development tools. D. Browse projects. E. Schedule issues. F. Manage sprints. 8. Security levels have already been configured in the legal project's issue security scheme. Now Dave needs to be able to set a particular security level on an issue in the legal project. Identify 3 prerequisites for him to be able to do this. Choose 3. A. Dave must be assigned to that particular security level. B. Dave must have the set issue security permission in the legal project. C. Dave must have access to the legal project. D. Dave must have a valid Jira software license. E. Issue-level security must be globally enabled by a Jira administrator. F. Dave must be the project administrator of the legal project. 9. Max and Emma both have Jira software application access, and they are members of the same groups and project roles in the dev project. However, Max can rank issues on the project's Kanban board, while Emma cannot. Which configuration will definitely explain the observed behavior? A. Max and Emma have different global permissions. B. Only Max has a valid Jira software license. C. Only Max is a project administrator of the dev project. D. Max and Emma are associated with different security levels. E. Only Max has been granted the schedule issues permission in the dev project. F. Max is a component lead and Emma is a project lead in the dev project. 10. John needs to configure an issue collector where he is the reporter of all the collected issues. Which 2 permissions does he need to do this? Choose 2. A. Administer projects. B. Transition issues. C. Assignable user. D. Create issues. E. Add comments.